Hello children, I am teacher Prerna Bhosle. Today we are going to learn Bal Bharti Standard 4 first poem, that is Rain in the Night. Before we begin the meaning of poem, let me tell you who wrote this poem. This poem, Rain in the Night, is written by Amelia Josephine Burr. Now let me read the first stanza of this poem. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. It means it has been raining throughout the night. Throughout the night means whole night. And children, how it is raining? Sometimes loud and sometimes soft, as like a song. It means here poet is comparing the rain with the song. Okay children. Now let's move to second stanza. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Here gutter means canals at the edge of a street that carry off water, and street means road, and kitty means small cat. Now let's see what poet says. Poet says that due to rain, gutters will fill with water and will look like a river. Poet also says that there will be lakes full with water along the road. Here, lakes means puddles. Further, the poet says that this will help our lazy kitty to wash his little dirty feet. Now let's move to first two lines of third stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. Children, have you seen raindrops on roses? It looks like diamond. Thus, poet says that the drops of rainwater on the roses will shine like the diamonds worn by kings and queens at court. Next line. But the pencils all get muddy because they are so short. Here pencils means small plants or their flowers. Can you see here? Thus the poet says that due to heavy rain, pencils will get muddy as they are very short. Now move to last stanza. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pencils' faces. It means poet says that she wishes to sail her boat the next day, but where? In new and wonderful places. But before doing this, she wants to take her watering pot to wash the faces of the pencils. Thank you.